guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is primarily a camera test, plus I'm going to share with you what I've got coming up over the next few weeks, and I've got some tyre news that some may find surprising. Before I get started, if you're new here and you like the truth about cars, which is what you'll get here as I vlog my honest road, track and ownership experiences, then please do me a favour. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, turn notifications on. Right, so today a camera test for Goodwood, which is coming up this Friday. So last time out on track, it didn't go according to plan camera wise. A very ancient GoPro HD Hero 2 just gave up, so I couldn't get any of the speedo footage. I replaced it recently with GoPro's Hero 7 Black, and that's given me more options when it comes to production. I've also just upgraded my PC, which will hopefully speed up the editing process. And what this means is that I can now film in 60 frames per second without then wanting to smash my laptop to bits. So that's 60 frames per second with all 5 cameras. And my setup is... Ooh, stupid bloody things. Firstly, I've got GoPro's Hero 7 Black. Then I've got the 4 Black. I've got a 5 session on my feet. I've got a 4 session on the dials there. And I've got a Viofo A119C out back. And that is my Goodwood setup in full, all except for the audio, of course. Now, if you're interested in seeing my setup audio-wise, let me know in the comments below. And if there's interest, then I'll cover it in another video. So what's coming up over the next few weeks on my channel? Well, with Goodwood in 5 days' time, I'll be uploading all of the sessions. I'm not quite sure how many I'll get. It should be 5, I hope, maybe 6 if I'm really lucky. Along with that, I'll also have an analysis of how the LSD is on track, you know, corner exit speeds and so on. I will also be reporting on the true cost of a track day in one of these things. Now, I did this in my Focus RS and the results were quite frankly eye-watering. How will BMW's M140i compare? We'll see. And finally, on to my tyres. Now, I was hoping to make the Michelin PS4 tyres that I had fitted back in February last long enough for me to kill them on track at Goodwood. Sadly, my newfound love of all things sideways meant I had to have them replaced last week. I haven't gone for PS4s this time around, I've gone for something different. A tyre I've not seen mentioned in any of the many online discussions about tyres on these things. And what's replaced these then? Well, I've gone for Kumo's Extra PS91s. Why? 2 reasons: reg and price. I mean reg because he took me around Goodwood in his 2000 330 Ci wearing a set of PS91s, and to be completely honest, I could not believe what I felt. They were strong, they had proper grip, they felt really good loaded up, and when they moved really, really well. And price, because at £386 a set, I can smear them across the asphalt all day long without crying too much. Of course, this does mean I won't have a true lap time comparison, open diff versus the limited slip diff, because the tyres will undoubtedly have an impact. I do want that true comparison though, so maybe I'll go back to Goodwood on a set of PS4s once these PS91s are done. And the Kumos compared to the PS4s, well, initial impressions are that the sidewalls are stiffer. That's immediately noticeable. So much so that with the dampers now set to soft, it feels quite close to how it did set to firm on the PS4s because they had the much softer sidewalls. The weather's been terrible since I had them fitted 4 days ago. Until today, I've not had a chance to drive them in the dry. So far on that front, it's all good. I'll have more on these, how they feel and how they behave from Goodwood in the coming weeks. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please give this one a thumbs up and I'll see you soon.